Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, blockchain in the world of cryptocurrency. In this video, we'll dive deep into what blockchain is, how it's incorporated, and how it works, and we'll even explore some real-world examples of blockchain in action. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the details, let's begin with a brief overview of what blockchain actually is. Think of it as a digital ledger, a decentralized database that records transactions across many computers. Unlike traditional systems, blockchain doesn't have a central authority, making it transparent, secure, and tamper-proof. Now, let's understand how blockchain is incorporated in the world of cryptocurrency. Blockchain serves as the underlying technology for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. It enables the secure transfer of digital assets without the need for intermediaries like banks or payment processors. Each transaction is grouped into blocks, and these blocks are linked together in a chain, forming the blockchain. Here's a simplified version of how blockchain works. When a transaction occurs, it is verified by multiple computers, known as nodes, on the network. Once verified, the transaction is bundled with other transactions into a block. This block is then added to the existing chain of blocks, creating an immutable record of all the transactions. Blockchain plays a vital role in financial transactions by providing security, transparency, and efficiency. Since every transaction is recorded on the blockchain, it becomes virtually impossible to alter or manipulate the data. This ensures trust and eliminates the need for intermediaries, reducing costs and increasing the speed of transactions. Now, let's explore some real-world examples of blockchain technology. Here are the top 10 crypto blockchain examples. Bitcoin, BTC, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, created by an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Ethereum, ETH, a blockchain platform that enables the creation of decentralized applications and smart contracts. Ripple, XRP, designed for fast, low-cost international money transfers, Ripple has gained popularity among banks and financial institutions. Cardano, ADA, known for its focus on security and scalability, Cardano aims to provide a platform for the development of decentralized applications and smart contracts. Polkadot, DE, a multi-chain platform that allows different blockchains to interoperate and share information. Chainlink, Link, a decentralized Oracle network that connects smart contracts with real-world data, enabling them to interact with external systems. Binance Coin, BNB, the native cryptocurrency of the Binance Exchange, used for discounted trading fees and participating in token sales. Litecoin, LTC, often referred to as the silver to Bitcoin's gold, Litecoin was created to improve upon Bitcoin's transaction speed. Stellar, XLM, focused on facilitating fast and low-cost cross-border transactions, Stellar aims to bridge the gap between traditional financial systems and blockchain. Tezos, XTZ, a blockchain platform that utilizes a self-amending governance model, allowing stakeholders to participate in the decision-making process. And that wraps up our discussion on blockchain in the world of cryptocurrency. I hope you found this video informative and gained a better understanding of how blockchain works, its incorporation in the crypto world, and its role in financial transactions. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest content on cryptocurrencies, blockchain, and other exciting topics in the world of technology. Also, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. We love hearing from you and would be happy to answer any questions you may have. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep embracing the power of blockchain technology. Take care and see you soon.